Hi guys, so today I'm gonna cook spring onions prawns, Italian style, but I'm gonna give little twist of Mexican in this. So let's go for it. Cheers. So let's get started. So we're gonna take garlic and chop roughly. So let's go for making our spices. Let's take chili flakes, little bit of chili flakes, thyme, again very less, and we're gonna take garlic powder, little bit of garlic powder, and rosemary. And let's go for tossing our Tabasco to make it spicy, and our oil. We're going to use olive oil. You can use any sort of oil. And mix it well. Yeah, perfect. Let's apply it on top. And a salt and pepper. You can see it looks really beautiful. The shrimps is always my favorite. Tray. We're gonna place this over here. Perfect. And the remaining. A spring onion, lot of spring onion, because it's gonna give a crispy flavor in this. So you can grill this or you can pan fry. And a garlic. Perfect. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Yo, let's go for it. Let's grill this, and I'm going to show you how beautiful it comes out. So here we go with the prawns. We'll set this for say half an hour and 270 Fahrenheit. So let it cook. So till then, let's wait and let it cook well, and I'm gonna come up with a good recipe very soon. So please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So it's ready now. You can see it's come really crispy. You can see it's all crispy. This is how it should be. It looks yum. Let's go for it. Start with the garnish. Maybe it's more in. And the prawns. Crispy spring onions and garlic. So here we go. So let's go for it. You can see it come really nice. Please do try this at home and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's do Bismillah. It's yum. Cheers. Bye.